No, listen, soccer aid is something which is very close to my heart as well, and I've obviously I've managed the team in that, I've played in it, and it raises a lot of money for great causes. So, but obviously I'll be.
Wayne Rooney, the former striker of the Manchester United, who is just now the coach of DC United, he has picked so many things, but so much more. He is just realizing that he wants to be the football president of the England. As of course, this is just his dream for a long time, as he wants to be the president of England. Of course, football, and he used to say that it's possible, and if he will be believed, if he will be given that opportunity, means he will just do the incredible, fantastic, and important issues on the football of the England. And of course, one among of his promise, or of course, one among of his plan is to make sure that England wins World Cup. England wins the World Cup, and